Are you facing the issue creator account cannot be private on Instagram? If you are facing this issue, it's because Instagram does not allow creator or business account to be private. To fix this problem, watch the full video. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right. Here, scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Then tap on Switch Account Type. Now select Switch to Personal Account. Again tap on Switch to Personal Account. Now wait some moment here until the loading is complete. Now here find the account privacy and tap on it. Now turn on the private account option. Your account is now private. If you were facing the creator account cannot be private issue, now it's fully fixed. Thank you.